Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 5500 watt RV ready wireless remote start inverter with CO Shield. Perfect for taking on small trips, using recreationally, or to back up your essential household items during a power outage. Champion's easy to use push button start takes the confusion out of starting an engine, giving you easy access to all the controls you need. Or use the wireless remote to start and stop your unit from up to 80 feet away. This inverter comes travel ready with a standard 30 amp RV outlet to easily bring you power while you're on the road, as well as a pair of 120 volt household outlets and a 12 volt DC outlet. Or connect 2 units using a Champion Paralink parallel kit to provide 50 amps of power directly to your RV. And for added protection, this inverter utilizes CO Shield, an auto shutoff system that will shut down the engine before dangerous levels of carbon monoxide have the chance to accumulate in your operating area. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Add oil to the inverter. Connect the battery. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline. Start the inverter manually, electrically with Champion's push-button start, or from up to 80 feet away using the wireless remote. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 5500 watt wireless remote start inverter. Innovation, power, and dependability.